Yeah, my name's Jayesh Thanki.
What's
I've
the
got a bomb in my
emergency?
bag, and I'm going to Weston Favell police station to get a bomb. Jayesh Thanki. Jayesh Thanki.
Okay, and
What have you got in your bag? Bomb. B-O-M-B. A bomb. I'm going to get
where are you?
Right now.
Okay,
Thank
I'll
you.
let the officers know then,
Thank you.
Jay. All right, thank you. All right, bye-bye.
Armed police, drop that bag now. Drop the bag, do it now. Buddy, drop the bag. Drop the bag, mate, and we can talk to you. What's in the bag? A bomb.
And you can put the bag down, come and get the cigarette, and you can go back to the corner. All right?
Right, I've got the cigarette.
You got the cigarette?
I've got the cigarette.
Right, we'll put it on this corner here,
Nice one.
and then we'll move back. All right? We'll put it here for you.
There's a cigarette in there, mate, yeah? Have you got a lighter or not? There's a lighter in there, okay?
Right, then we'll move back. You can have that, but put the bag down before you come and get it, all right?
Okay, hands out the bag. Let's detain him. Let's detain him now. Let's detain him. Let's go. Put the bag down now. Put the bag down now. Put the bag down now. Put it down. Put it down. Get the bag off him. Get the bag off him. Right. Get him on the floor.
Lay on your front, Jay.